Alright, so we'll find our LCM, which we know is the product of these. Line solid. So x minus 5 times x plus 5. From yesterday we established, right? X minus 5 will cancel out, so that I will leave x plus 5. And of course, we expand the bracket, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 5, 10. Alright, cool. Next, we divide x plus 5 into x plus 5, and that leaves x minus 5. And of course, we multiply by 3. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. Please pay close attention to the side. Let's group the like terms. So 2x plus 3x plus 10x, not 10. I'm going to go with the x. Plus 10 minus 15. And we keep our denominator. So let's simplify. 2 plus 3, 5, right? So that's 5x minus 5. Pay close attention to the sign, guys. When the signs are different, we subtract, keep the bigger sign. Remember that rule, please. So our final answer, 5 a B of 5. 5x minus 5 divided by x minus 5 over that, right? So a B of 5. Alright, so we'll find our LCM, which is the product of these. So 2x minus 3 times x plus 5. Guys, by right, let me fill in a bracket here, because at times, yeah, times it. Because if on a times, we couldn't cancel it out like that, right? Alright, so we're going to divide this into this leave this. So we're going to have x plus 5. And we expand 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 5, 25. Alright, this into this is going to cancel out, so it's going to have 2x minus 3. Remember, when we just started this, we said, once there's a minus here, consider this as minus 4. So minus 4 times 2, minus 8x. A positive times a negative, negative. Write down the rule again. As I say now, guys, if we don't master this, maths is gonna haunt us forever. This little thing here, you see, them here are the key. Persons who fail maths are because of the sign. That are the main thing. Alright? So this is when we are multiply and divide. When you are divide a negative, divide by a negative, positive. A positive divide by a negative, negative. It's the same thing. Alright? I put minus 1, but yeah. Alright, so it's the same thing, guys. Same thing. This is gonna be a problem. Once you not fix this, so come back in every topic, I would say spend 3 days on this alone and just master the sign, and so you get a straight A. Alright, so negative times negative, positive, so that's positive 12. And of course, so it's 5x minus 8x plus 25. I'm gonna use 1 day and do it, Probably use one of the Sunday and we just do B a sign for the 1 hour. I make person understand. Because usually I start with the integers, but because I had summer school, we just kind of bypass it. But I'm going to go back to it. So 5 take away that. We just want more new people join, so them not miss that. Because as I say, guys, if we don't master that, that's going to be a constant struggle. Vectors, matrices, algebra, anything where you name, it will come back there. Alright? Alright, so final LCM, which you know is the product, is 3x minus 1 times x minus 2. Remember, guys, this is what we're doing. we're dividing the 3x minus 1 into all of this. So naturally, this will cancel out itself. Alright, so we have this leave x minus 2. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times negative 2 minus 6. Remember, a negative times a positive, negative. Alright, naturally now, we're going to divide by x minus 2 now. So the x minus 2 are going to cancel out itself. So that are going to leave 3x minus 1. Remember what we said, this is a minus, so just consider it, say, we're multiplying by a negative 2. If you have negative 2 times 3x, that's a minus 6x, right? So that's minus 6x. And negative times a negative, I just wrote the rule, positive. So that would give you a positive 2. Alright, we could go up the like terms now. 3x minus 6x minus 6 plus 4 over the LCM. The 6 is negative, this is 3. That means we're going to get a minus, right? Because the 6 bigger. So that's minus 3. Similarly, minus, oh, this, what I mean 4 also. Mine are running. Mine are running. So this will give us minus 4. Remember, the 6 is going to be bigger. Let just run something like that. Yeah, why? Remember, you have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 positive. This is what causing the problem. 4 negative, right? A few persons had 8 there, minus 8 and so on. Fix it, guys. Let's fix those things, alright? Alright, so we'll find our LCM, same thing, right? Product. 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. So 3x going to this, I'm going to leave this. 9 twos, 18. 9 times negative 3, a positive times negative, negative. So that's negative 27. This into this, I'm going to leave this. So that leaves 3x plus 1. Negative 2 times 3, that's minus 6x. Negative 2 times 1 minus 2. So grouping 8x, 18x rather, minus 6x minus 27 minus 2 over 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. 18 take away 6, that are 12, positive, right? Both are negative with this, so we add them and keep the negative. And of course, we have 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. And that's our answer.
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
on the bottom where you have 2x plus 3, it should be 2x minus 3.
Oh, minus. Yeah,
Yeah.
damn. Need to make. Yeah, because the denominator not supposed to change. All right. So, guys, as I said yesterday, I think we should get this now, guys. We have multiple examples. All right, let's look at a different. All right, so we have to find our LCM. First, we can put this over 1, and then we find our LCM. So you find the LCM at 3, 4, and 1, which would be 12, right? All right, so we're going to multiply throughout by the LCM. Why would we do that? We want to get rid of the fraction. So we multiply everything by the LCM. But then, by 1 pass slow, and then 9. All right, so we divide 3 into this 1, 3 into 12, 4. 4 into this 12, 1, 4 into 12, 3. 1 into 12 are 12, so that remain, right? So 4 times x, 4x. 3 times x, 3x. 5, 12, that's 60. And then we add. But these are both like terms, right? And then, of course, how many groups of 7 we can get out of 60? That should be 8, because 8, 7, 56. So that's 8 and 4 over 7. So we find our LCM and we multiply it throughout every single thing. The common error, students will multiply this by 12, and not this. Remember, whatever we do to an equation, we have to do to all of the sides. Shall I copy also?
All right, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Or you come by the 7x. We have 4x plus 3x over 7x. Where you get the 7x from?
7x. 4 plus 3.
Oh, you plus them. Okay.
Yeah, man, the sign is there, so this is a plus, right? So 4x, and then 3 times x, positive 3x, so you plus it.
Oh. And it's the same algebraic equation?
Just a different version, right? Equation, same thing. Same thing.
Minute here, sir.
Yeah, man, it's the same thing.
All right, cool.
All right, can we look at another? Because I want you guys to try it. If I even one before we go.
Yes, sir.
R2. These are just the basic ones, you know, guys. You get more challenging. But we just touch the surface before we go hard. I'm going to do one similar, right? Minus. All right, so x over 8 minus x over 3 equal 2. All right, so we multiply through by the LCM. Remember, we are finding LCM at 8 and 3. The one that make a difference. 1 can go into all the numbers. So the LCM would have been 24. So we multiply through by 24. 8 into itself 1 time, 8 into this 3. So you notice we divide it out. 3 times x, 3x. 3 into itself 1, 3 into this 8. So this is minus 8 times x, which is minus 8x. And then 2 times that, that's our 48. Yeah, 2 fours, 1, 2, 2. So 3 take away 8. That's minus 5x equal 48. So we divide through by negative 5. So a positive divided by a negative, that's negative. That's 9 times 9, 5, 45, right? Remainder 3 over 5. or negative 9.6. If you charge a phone, put it on. So we're cool with this, guys.
So how you get the negative 5x over the 5?
Guys, that means we're not following, man. 3 take away 8.
Oh, okay, I see it now.
Mhm. So remember, positive 3 minus 8. So each negative cancel a positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, when you finish, try that one. Alright. Yeah, this is correct. That's Marshall. Yeah, Archer. Alden Jennings. Yeah, Dallas. That is correct. Elisa as well. Yeah, Tavoy. Well done, Amaya.
The
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
you can check my answer, please.
Don't go in and chat, man.
anyone had the notes for the first two classes that I missed? The standard form and the running off.
Tavoy, don't have it.
Didn't hear that, sir.
And I said, Tavoy, we don't have it.
I would like it also, sir. I missed those classes.
Is Tavoy here tonight?
Yeah, but he's shy. Me ask him to send me, I'm sending it to you.
Thank you.
Please, sir, because when your mommy text you, I'ma tell you, it's like you don't know if you never really text her, but you know, you
No, man. Me just search somebody number I couldn't find. To them, this is E spell it for the and not 2L. MEL.
okay.
Yeah. Somebody said they can't see word. I don't know. Oh, I remember the recite. So nobody must have that now. Yeah, that's the question. X over 3 plus x over 5 equal 3. Let's rewrite it here, so. I'm going to chat shortly. Just give me a second, there, guys. Clear off them because we don't want persons confuse it. Yeah, Daniela. Check out what I go on in chat now. Yeah, Ramon. Alright. Let's see what I go on in chat now. Guys, and exactly 8, you know. Must put all of it. A merchant. That would be correct. Alright, let's go through it, guys. So we find our LCM, big number this time, right? 35. So we multiply through it by 35. Everything times 35. 70 self 1, 70 this 1. So 5 times x, 5x. 5 into self 1, 5 into 35, 7. And then 3 times 5, 15. 5 carry 1, 3, 3 is 9, and 1, 10. So when we add, we get 12x equal 105. Notice it's a positive, right? So we add. And then we divide by 12. So that goes 8 times and 9 over 12. And we can divide by 3. So it's really 3/4. So it's 8 and 3/4. Or some persons convert it to decimal. Any one of them are acceptable. Alright? But I'm not show you how it can get really complicated. We're not rushing into it now. That's what I want to say. It can become a little bit more. But guess what? Are the same principle. A coefficient be 1. Yeah. The persons we not stress about it. Alright, I'm gonna look on the one here. So we find the LCM again, right? Which is 6. So the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So we're gonna multiply 2 by 6. Three into itself 1, 3 into this 2. 2 times x, 2x, 2 ones, 2. 2 into this 1, 2 into this 3. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 5, 15. 6, 10, 60. I could take a little pause. So all we did was expand the bracket, right? You know, said the first one was a single digit, but this one is a bracket. So we have to multiply both terms by the 2 and both terms by the 3. You see that, guys? 2 times x, 2x, 2 ones, 2. 3 times x, 3x, 3, 5, 15. And then we group the like terms. So it will be 2x plus 3x plus 2 plus 15 equal to 60. Now that we group them, we can add. That will give us 5x, 2 plus 15, that was 17, and that equal to 60. So now we subtract 17 from both sides. We get about 43. And then, so 5 times a number give you 43. We can divide, right? 8 times 8, 5, 40, and 3 over 5. Alright, that'll be 8.6. Long and tedious, but it's easy, right? It's very long. Alright, we can note of it, guys, please. Alright, so we find our LCM should be 15, right? So we multiply through by 15. 3 into this 1, 3 into this 5, 5 into this 1, 5 into 15, 3. 3 times x, 3x, 3 is 9. 5 times x, 5x, and 5 4, 20. 5 times 15, 5 5, 25, and 5 that's 75, right? So we need to group the like terms. So 3x and 5x, those go together, plus 9 and, oh, put on the x now. Yeah, leave it. Equals 75. I'll go on this one. So this will give us 8x, 9 and 20, 29, and that must equal 75. So we're going to subtract 29 from both sides, right? So 1 carry a 30, and then at about 41, 46. So it will be 46. 46. 8 5 are 40, right? So that's 5 times and 6 over 8. Let's see for that top I guess. So that's it. I can break down to 3/4. 5 and 3/4. Oh, I think I it, at the standard form. So, alright, thanks. Yeah, guys. So 5 8 are 40, so that are 5 times, and we can break it down to 3/4, right? By dividing by 2. So that's 5 and 3/4. I could see if we can try one, even if it's not perfect, but I could see if we can try one. So next class we can continue from there.
So it's the same topic, algebraic equation.
Definitely. Alright. Try that one, guys. X plus 4 over 2 plus. Not really work them out as not whole number, it no matter. Because when I do the whole number and students start the fraction, them start think it wrong because it's a fraction. Oh, by the way, this is going to be the last one for today. Yeah. Yeah, Paul. That's it. Melissa as well, that's it. Yeah, Marsha, that's it. Character boy. Oh yeah, this character as well. Character unknown. Yeah, Antoinette, that's it. Correct merchant. That's it. Correct archer.
Sir,
Hmm? Yeah man, I'm
I don't
here.
think I understand this one. I don't understand this one.
Really? I same thing, yeah. Once you understand one, you understand all. Same principle, just different numbers. Yeah, Daniela, that would be correct. So you're working on this one. Yeah.
Sir, check that because I don't know if you're right. Check it, sir.
Yeah, you see it, man. Actually correct. Actually correct. Guys, that is the same principle, you know. The only thing that the number change. Same everything. Just a repetition. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Alright guys, one more minute and we can go to solution. Same principle, you know, guys. Don't overthink it, just do the steps. Just do the steps.
Sir, check it again.
Back of 5. Alright, let's go. I hate this, guys. If you never say anything, hush. Alright, let's go. So the LCM would have been 10, right? So I can multiply through by 10. Let's clear off the side here and done. So the LCM at 10, so multiply through by 10. Cancel. To get rid of a fraction. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 4, 20. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 1, 2. And then 4 times 40. We like terms. So it would be 5x plus 2x plus 20 plus 2 equal 40. These are the like terms. So this is all. 7x, 20 plus 2, 22. And then we subtract 22 from both sides. Leave 18, right? How many groups of 7? We can get out of 18. That will be 2. 7 2 is 14 and 4 over 7. And that is it for tonight. 2 and 4 7th. So Sunday again, guys.
Good night, Marsha.
Yeah, man. Take care.
So remember, I tell you that. Yes, remember we talked last Monday about the video.
Yeah, ma'am, but guess what? Sorry, she couldn't find your number yesterday. Blame it
Yeah.
on sir.
Yeah, may I have it now.
Sir,
Yes, we need
remember
the
to
number,
create the
Marsha
group.
number.
Yeah, may I go do it, guys? Tomorrow.
No, sir, you do it tonight when you remember.
Yeah,
And then,
remember,
sir,
man.
you could forgive it then.
Melissa,
May I go do it, man?
yeah, take my number 474.
Wait, write it down.
Hold on, let me stop the recording. Cause everybody here hear it, yeah.